Welcome to the Learning English channel. Business English Conversation. Meeting.
Hello! In this video, we learn the most common English phrases, sentences, and vocabulary for starting a meeting. Starting a meeting. In this topic, we have 6 different situations. 1. Welcoming participants. 2. Someone can't attend. 3. Subject of the meeting. 4. Introducing speakers. 5. Asking the speakers to introduce themselves. 6. Speakers introduce themselves. 1. Welcoming participants. It's nice to see everyone. Hello, thank you for coming. Okay, if we are all here, let's begin. Thanks for being here today. So, let's get going. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank you all for being here today. Important vocabulary for welcoming participants. Welcome, to show someone that you are pleased that they have come. Nice, pleasant, enjoyable, or satisfactory. Participants, someone who takes part in an event, meeting, or activity. 2. Someone can't attend. Juliet has sent her apologies. Ali can't make it either. She can't be with us today because she had to go to a meeting in Dubai. Important vocabulary for someone who can't attend. Attend, to go to a place, a meeting, or an event. Apology, saying sorry or a message that says sorry. Either means also or to but is used in negative sentences. Can't make it, cannot do something, in this case, means cannot attend the meeting. 3. Subject of the meeting. We will talk about our marketing strategy and decide which sales outlets we should target. The main aim of the meeting is to decide the date of the launch. We will be discussing our strategies for increasing sales. Important vocabulary for the subject of the meeting. Strategy, a plan of action or policy designed to achieve a major or overall aim. Launch, the introduction of a new product or service for sale to the public. Decide, to choose something, especially after thinking carefully about several possibilities. Outlet, a store that sells a particular company's products or products of a specific type. Aim, something that you plan or hope to achieve. Marketing, the business activity that finds out what customers want, then uses that information to design products and services and sell them effectively. 4. Introducing speakers. Ahmad is going to review our recent sales performance. Tim is from our advertising agency, and he's going to give us an overview of his plan for our new advertising campaign. Allison King will present an analysis of some of the problems with our sales strategy at the moment. Important vocabulary in introducing speakers. Review, to provide a description containing important information about a particular subject or activity. Sales performance, how successful sales are, how much profit. Overview, a short description of something which provides general information only, no details. Analysis, the study of something in detail. Advertising campaign, a planned series of advertisements that will be used in particular places at particular times in order to advertise a product or service and persuade people to buy it or use it. 5. Asking the speakers to introduce themselves. Why don't you introduce yourself to everyone? Would you like to say a few words about yourself, Tom? Tell us a bit about yourself. Important vocabulary to use when asking speakers to introduce themselves. Ask to speak to someone and express your desire for them to do something. Speaker, a person who gives a speech at a public event or meeting. Tell, to say something to someone, especially to give instructions, information, or a report. 6. Speakers introduce themselves. As you all know, I am the head of the design department. For those of you who don't know me, I am a team leader from IT. As you probably know, my name is Ali, and I am the new Human Resources Manager here. Important vocabulary speakers use to introduce themselves. Head, a person who is in charge of a team, department, or organization. Leader, a person who is in charge of a group or team. IT, information technology. Human resources, the department of an organization that deals with finding new employees, keeping records about all the organization's employees, and helping them with any problems.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.